Look no further than the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The trend-setting Grand Caravan delivers spacious seating for 7 with plenty of creature comforts, convenient versatility, and the power to make your drive fun and relaxing. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering. Don't miss out on the chance to have the family vehicle that maximizes comfort, safety, and fun. Drive the Grand Caravan.